If you've ever tried washing your car but couldn't reach the top of it, then this solves that problem. This is an extendable car wash brush, and the handle extends so you can reach easily the roof, windshield, or even larger vehicles like trucks or RVs. You just simply open each tab for the section of pole that you want to extend and then lock it back into place. The pole will extend all the way out to 16 feet, so it gives you plenty of length to do whatever chore that needs to be done. When you're done, you simply unlock the tabs and push the pole back down into its original position and relock the tabs. The 12-inch brush head is soft, so it cleans without scratching, and it covers a lot of surface area quickly. So if you want something that makes car washing easier, or RVs, or a truck, then this is a practical tool to have. And I'm so glad that the brand sent me this one to try, because I know it is going to be so handy and helpful washing the cars, washing the boat, washing anything. You could use this to scrub your garage doors, just anything that you have trouble reaching. So go check it out today.